सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक वार चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए डेली टेक न्यूज़ पाने के लिए।
Hey everybody, Nigel here from HTC. Thank you very much for joining us today as we announce the latest in a long line of flagship devices. I snuck into the HTC Design Studio this morning to give you guys a special preview of what we've got on offer. Today, we're going to be announcing the HTC U12 Plus, the latest in a long line of amazing flagships from HTC, takes everything we've learned over the past 12 months and makes it even better. On this incredible 18:9 6-inch super narrow bordered aspect ratio display, you're going to be seeing all your content in pinpoint clarity. HTC's EdgeSense 2 has you live on the edge with a host of new features this year that we're bringing to you to make EdgeSense 2 even more convenient. You can double tap on the side of the device to get this single-handed view. You can still do short presses to turn things like flashlights on and off, and a long press, as I've got this one set up here, will get you into your browser. We've combined our brilliant Ultra Pixel 4 technology and paired it up with a 16 megapixel second camera. That Ultra Pixel gives you a beautiful wide angle aspect ratio, and the 16 megapixel has 2 times optical zoom. Not content with putting 2 cameras on the back of the device, we've also put 2 cameras on the front of the device too. 2 8 megapixel wide angle sensors will have you taking the best selfies you've ever done. And the great thing about these dual cameras, whether it be front and back, is you can get those beautiful portrait modes with that lovely soft focus in the background. And you can see that live in the viewfinder when you take your images, and even post-capture. If you're not happy with that effect, you can go back into it and edit that bokeh effect on the screen and save it. But it's not just still images that are great on the U12 Plus. We've also got you videographers well covered too. We've got 4K video at 60 frames per second, and if you love your slow motions, we've got you covered too at 1080p at 240 frames per second. Audio capture on this device for your video is also amazing. We've got the HTC's 360-degree sound captured by the 4 microphones built into this device. We've got high-res audio, and we've got HTC's sonic zoom feature. That means when you're capturing video, when you zoom in on screen, you also get those microphones specifically directed at your subject for even better audio capture. In box, we're committed to delivering great value, and those U-Sonic headphones that came with the U11 are also in the U12 Plus, with that beautiful active noise cancelling features that means you can jump on your plane any time of day, power it up from the USB-C plug on the bottom of this device, and while away the hours. From a design point of view, we know you expect great things from HTC, and our liquid surface that we launched last year continues on and gets even more refined with the HTC U12 Plus. And some of the colors we've come out with this year are simply stunning. And the great thing is HTC's liquid design comes water resistant and dust resistant to IP68 rating. When it comes to specs, the HTC's platform is absolutely top drawer too. We're supporting Qualcomm's 845 octa-core Snapdragon chipset that clocks up to 2.8 gigahertz. All SKUs across the world come with 6 gig of RAM, so running multiple apps is going to be absolutely no problem whatsoever. And when it comes to storage, well, that's up to you. We've got 64 gig options and 128 gig options, and if you really want to expand that storage to the max, then you can get a micro SD card too, because HTC supports that up to 2 terabytes. We think you're going to be excited about this product. We certainly are here at HTC. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.